Welcome to Emerald Tech World. I'm Emerald Pixel Gaming, your host for today's video, and today is actually a tutorial on how to play DVDs in Windows 8.1, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Annoyingly, they don't actually come with, by default, the function to play DVDs. You can get an app from the store, except that it's about £15, which is completely not worth it. So, there's a website called videoland.org, and here you can get VLC Media Player. Now this is also used to play other kinds of media, and it's completely free. So, once you've opened VLC Media Player, you can right click, you can click Open Media and click Open Disk. Now I don't actually have a disc to play right now, but when you click that and then you click play, you'll be able to play your DVD, and it should jump straight to the menu, which is really necessary. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please subscribe to Emerald Tech World, and I will see you in the next video.